friends, this is Renee from Little Village Homestead, and today I'm going to show you how to make Hasselback potatoes. It's a wonderful side dish. So, we'll be right back. Okay friends, I'm going to show you how I do a Hasselback potato. First off, I trimmed this off. And I had it sitting in a little bit of water so it wouldn't start turning on me. And then I'm going to take, of course I need to tell you, you can use either chopsticks or a couple little skewers. And we're just going to start slicing this down. Oh, maybe that won't work. Well, we got that first one off. I guess that's not going to work too well, but we're just going to keep slicing this down nice and thin. You want nice thin pieces. So that's how you're going to start it. And I'm going to go and finish slicing this because this is going to take me a minute. And when I get done, I'll be back. Okay, I'm almost done with this. I just got a couple more little slices to make here. You just don't want to go all the way through because you want it all still in one piece. If you get a piece that comes off like that, just put it back on there. Alright, so there is our Hasselback potato. And see, it's still connected at the bottom. And it's open at the top. Now we're going to put it in my little dish here in a second. I got to wipe this up real quick. Okay. We're going to put it in my dish here and we're going to spread these out. See how these will spread out a little bit? My husband loves these. Okay, so with that, let me put my spices here. We're going to set this aside. It's all sliced nice. Put our spice up here. Now we're going to get the camera up here because I'm going to show you how I do my butter sauce for it. Okay, I've got a hunk of garlic. I've got about 2 good tablespoons of butter in the bottom of my pan. I'm going to turn that on low. Anyway, I got my little piece of garlic and I'm just going to smash it with my knife. Just like so. Throw it right in there. I got the butter, so I'm going to put just a little bit of olive oil in there with it. Okay, there we go. Maybe not quite a tablespoon. And then I'm going to put some thyme in here. Now you can use fresh. I'm just using dried. Put a little thyme in there. That burner's just a smoking. We got to turn that one. I'm going to have to clean that. Woo! Oh my, I got something on there. That'll make me crazy. I must have just dropped something on there anyway. There we go. That's good. Okay. That should be a good cure for that. Okay, so then you can always use some fresh, rosemary. I don't have fresh, so I'm going to use a little ground rosemary in this too. Okay, there's my rosemary. I'm just going to let that get good and melt it up because you want to make a nice garlicky herbed butter here. And this is what we're going to put on that potato. Can you see that okay? Let me move my camera in a little bit. There. Now you can see. I'm just mixing this around. I want it all good melted. And then I'm going to just smother it all over my potato. You set your oven. I just set mine to 350. Mush that garlic around in there because you want all that flavor, all that wonderful flavor in that. Rosemary and thyme will be wonderful together. Okay, I'm going to turn that off. Let it finish melting. All right. Okay, so you see that's all melted. All right, we're going to slide this back. We're going to bring our potato back over here. And we are just going to start drizzling this on our potato. And I'm going to take that piece of garlic off there because that's not going to stay on there. That was just to flavor the butter. So you can get this opened up and let that all get down in there. And this will be gorgeous. Okay. All right, there we have it. And a lot of people will take pieces of butter and stick them in between the thing, but you could see that in there, which I doubt you can. It seeped down into there, between the slices. It seeped down in there pretty good. So, we're just going to leave that like that. And now we're going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on it. Not a whole bunch, but there's a little bit of salt. And then a little bit of pepper we'll get on there. And there we have it. I'm also going to do my favoriteest thing in the world. There's a little bit of parsley on it. That's going to be a beautiful potato. And my husband will love that. This makes a wonderful side dish, by the way. Easy to do, and it just spices up I shouldn't say spice, it should say spruce. It spruces up a meal with a beautiful side dish like this. So anyway, with this potato being all prepped and ready, we're going to put it in the oven. I can't do it yet. My oven isn't all the way up to temp. But when it does, I'm going to put it in there for about 60 minutes. And then when this is done, I'll be back and I'll show you how it looks. Alright friends, our potato is all done. It is out of the oven and it is beautiful. It's screaming hot, but you can see how it just kind of comes apart like that, and it's gorgeous. Now I did, as it was baking, I did baste. Ooh, that's hot. And ooh, that's good. That's finger licking. Anyway, I basted it as I was cooking it. And it turned out gorgeous. Wow. Now you can, if you want to make it a little crispier on top, you can always broil it for a couple minutes. It'll give it that crispy. But this right here, this is perfect for my husband. This is exactly how he likes it. So, it makes a wonderful side dish. And that right there will definitely feed 2 or 3 people for a side. Big potatoes. Anyway, it's that easy. I hope you give it a try and I hope you like it. So, until next time, thanks for watching.